Kia ora, I'm Jas, part of the team behind the NextGen Enviro at the Williams Property Service Group. You may be familiar with the property maintenance services, but the NextGen Enviro goes beyond that. It is a dedicated community response program created specifically for government and community housing providers. We understand the realities of community housing, tight budgets, urgent repairs, and the importance of delivering services with respect and minimal disruption to tenants. Our focus is simple: people, finance, and technology. For the community, we're about creating real opportunities. Wherever possible, we connect people to training and employment, helping them build confidence and skills through genuine work experience. Financially, we help housing providers make limited budgets go further. More work gets completed, cost stays low, and quality remains high. Through technology, our exclusive NextGen Enviro app gives housing teams real-time visibility of every work from request to completion. You can review progress, access reports, and communicate directly with our team, all in one secure platform. If you'd like to learn more about how the NextGen Enviro can help support your housing operations, visit the link below. Together, we can create a safer, cleaner, and a more sustainable homes across Aotearoa.